Hi everyone, it's Tammy Pally, aka the Crafty Princess and Doll Collector, and this is a follow-up video related to the Our Generation dolls that I purchased recently. I did a video about one of them, this gal right over here. I unboxed her. She was the surfer doll named Coral, and I am going to show you a couple of the other dolls real quickly, and I'm going to unbox one of the four dolls, the other doll that I purchased. I will put a link to the previous unboxing, and just as a reminder, if you hadn't seen that video or if you haven't seen it in a while, I'm not necessarily collecting Our Generation dolls. I'm still a Blythe person, but I have some grandnieces that are going to be coming to visit me in a few months, so Auntie Tammy is buying dollies for everybody. And I'm also interested in making some doll clothes for these larger dolls. I actually made a little Halloween doll dress today. Here we go. This weekend, you can see it's their size, and of course that gives me an excuse for buying a doll, because I need one as a model for some of these dresses that I want to make and other clothing items for these bigger dolls. So I'm just showing you real quick what I bought totally as my Our Generation haul, I guess you could say. And then I'm going to unbox another one of these four dolls, and then the other dolls and stuff I will unbox at a later time, so this isn't like a 2-hour video. Two of my nieces are sisters, so we thought I did this in conjunction with intel from their grandmother, I guess you can say. We went with a beach theme, and so anyway, one of the little girls is going to get this, and her sister's going to get this doll. So this is the lifeguard doll, and I won't be unboxing her today, but I will at some point. Another one of my nieces is going to get this gal, and she's called Clarissa, and she's supposed to be in like a little beach outfit. She's very cute. She's got a really cute beach hat, and this particular niece of mine really likes hats, so we thought this would be a cute doll for her. So I wanted them to have a chance to have some dolly outfits when they got their dolls, other than the clothes that come with the dolls. So I purchased some yoga outfits. One of the girls, or two of the girls, their moms, she is a yoga instructor, and they have two yoga outfits. It even comes with a little mat. So again, I'll take all these out at some point and show you guys. So, but you can see here is I think that. Is the lighting okay? We have an overcast day here, so I'm doing the best I can with all my lights on. But so that's the little outfit that is in here, little warm-up jacket and everything. Super cute. So I got one of these, and then here I got two of these. They only had two different type of yoga outfits. So again, it has a yoga mat. Here's a little picture. You can see what the outfit looks like on the doll. So yeah. So in addition to that, okay, so those are what my nieces are getting, the grandnieces. And then of course Aunt Tammy had to get her dolly, which this is the doll I'm getting ready to unbox for you guys. She's a beekeeper. Now I was looking for a doll. I really was, after looking at all these cute blonde haired dolls with freckles, I really liked them, but I didn't want to get exactly the same doll as my grandnieces were getting. And this particular doll I kept passing by, because online they had her like this with her netting over her face, which is kind of weird. So I finally stopped and clicked on her and realized, oh, this is what she looks like. And the freckles, I had to have her because I really love freckles. So I'm going to be taking her out of the plastic here in a minute, but I'm not real keen on this beekeeper outfit. So, I mean, I don't know, it's kind of strange, like, how many people are beekeepers? I don't understand why. There's actually two beekeeper Our Generation dolls, so I must miss something. If you guys know why beekeeping's like a big deal with these dolls, I'd like to know. But I'm probably going to give all this beekeeping stuff to the grandnieces and put it in with their stuff. And instead, because I wanted this doll to have some clothes right away, I bought her this cute little outfit. So yeah, but like I said, she's going to be my model. I'm curious to see if this little dress I finished is actually really going to fit her. I think it is. I've been holding it up to the other doll, and I think it's going to fit her okay. But it's just easier when you have a doll you can try on and make sure that the clothes fit. Okay, so I got her out of the big box. By the way, her name, here's the big box. It has stuff about her on the back. Her name is Cassidy, by the way. And so here she is. She's got a little, like a jumpsuit on. There's a big pith helmet back here. Let's see, let's scroll down here a little bit. You can see she's got beekeeping stuff. And sorry for putting my finger over that. These little cute boots are adorable. Okay. All right. Also, in the box, there was this. I guess they all come with this sort of little pamphlet that talks about how to take care of their hair. And this one had this extra little pamphlet-y thing in it. The Surfer Chick did not have this, but this had like a little brochure of the other different types of dolls. So I'm sure if you were to give this to your children or even people like me, I'm like, oh, I could get that little car. Or look, there's a horsey. All right, so I'm going to get more of this off of her. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've got her and all of her stock out of the box. And, yeah, this is just the weirdest little outfit. These boots are really cute. She's standing unassisted right now, which is kind of cool about these dolls. This doll over here too is not really, I got her up against a wall, but she's not really leaning on it, so that's kind of a neat thing. Other than this really weird outfit, she had this honeycomb or honeybee thing, and one of these comes out, so there's little bees and honey and stuff. The other ones do not come out, so that might be kind of, I don't know, we'll see. I'm curious to see how my nieces play with something like that. It also has this little faux brush thing. And this, it actually moves a little bit. I guess that's for the smoke, right, for the bees. And it has this card. It says, right here, oh, that's in French, okay. Plant these to save bees. So they have these different flowers. That's kind of cute. I mean, clearly there's some educational aspect to this doll. And then this pith helmet. And I had to be really careful getting this out because it was in plastic. And then there was like, you know, wrapped up plastic around this. So I had to use my knife. So luckily I was very careful because you could actually damage this little netting on here. But if you open this up, it's got a little strap. Let me pull this around here. So you can see this got like a little strap. And for you Blythe people, hold on a second because this is hilarious. I've ever heard this before, that the Blythe doll heads are the same size as these 18-inch dolls, and wondered if that's really true. Yes, it's true. I think that's hilarious. So, comparatively speaking, the rest of her is smaller, but her head is the same. So, they can wear the same hats. Very funny. Yes. So, let me show you her hair. And her face is really cute, too. I mean, those freckles are just too cute. Blue eyes, lots of freckles, because I guess when you're outside working with your bees, you know, you get a lot of sun. So here's her hair. I haven't done anything to it. It's obviously wavy curly. It's got a little clear elastic band on it. And I will take that out in a minute when I take this little outfit off of her. I wonder, are these sewn on? No, they're not sewn. No, they are. They're sewn on. So they're attached. And then this is one big little zipper thingy. And so, yeah, I mean, yep, she can stand just like that. All right, so I'm going to take her out of this outfit. And I'll go ahead. I want to see if she fits into the dress I just made first before I put that cute little shorts outfit on. I'm dying to know if this is going to work or not. This, by the way, I got a sewing pattern. I bought a couple of them. This is a McCall's Easy Stitch and Save. I got it at Walmart. I'm making this. This is the pattern I used to make that little Halloween dress. Alright, I got her out of that outfit. Holy cow. Those little boots were not easy to get off, and because I had to really manhandle her to get them off, you can see the black ink from the bees smeared. I actually had to go wash my hands, and it's all smearing off. So I did see somebody post about this on the Target.com site when I bought her, but I mean, I didn't really care about her stock so much. I liked the doll more than the stock, so that's why I picked her. I'm going to scrub these, I think, and see if I can just get these off. Maybe I could use some a light layer of acetate and just, I mean, you may as well remove the bees on there because they're just going to get more smeary. And yeah, when you get these puppies on, getting them off, thank God. Woo, that was like a workout. So I have her kind of leaning up here a little bit. She needs some shoes on to be able to stand that well. But she's wearing the dress I made, and it fits her really well. So I didn't have to do any changes to the sizing. I would finish it maybe a little differently. They have you based here for some reason. I don't really know why. I don't know why they wouldn't just have you, I don't know, just sew it down. So I would probably do that. Oops, I would probably do that in the future. I just kind of mushed her hair out a little bit. It's very, very soft. It's beautiful hair. Clearly it needs to be brushed, but otherwise I think it's, her hair is really nice. It's thick. It's not like, I mean, you can see if you pull, you could see the, you know, the roots there. It is a rooted head. But you don't, I mean, it's thick enough. Like if I just did like that, you don't see, there's no bald spots is what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, so now I think I'm going to go ahead and take out this cute little outfit I got her. These range, the outfits like this, this comes with some shoes and stuff too. These range in the like $12.99 to $20-ish range, which really isn't too bad, considering, though this little dress didn't take too much for me to make as far as fabric. Oh, and she also came with a little pair of undies, so that was nice. So I think that's a nice touch that, you know, they realize that the doll should have underwear, even if she's got a big old, what do you call it, beekeeper suit on. Okay, I'm back, and the new Dolly, Cassidy, has all her stock on and the new outfit that I got her. And this is super cute. I really like this. I'm pretty impressed with those shoes, especially their little gladiator sandals. I'll pick her up in a minute and show you. They also had this on there, and I didn't realize when the packaging had this up at the top. I thought it was just, you know, how it would hang in a store or something, but obviously this is an actual little hanger, so you can hang up, you know, their clothes, and you have a little dolly hanger, so that's kind of clever. The tote bag's really nice. It's actually lined, and yeah, the shoes were a little bit difficult to get on her feet. I don't know if I can, yeah, let me zoom in here a little bit. Those shoes, there we go. Yeah, so those shoes were a little bit, the ones that the Surfer Girl are wearing weren't too bad. Hers were a little bit difficult to get on. So if you have little ones, you might have to be helping out with shoes a lot. But once they're on, I mean, they're pretty sturdy. And what I like about it is that she stands up unassisted. So I think that's pretty, you know, for somebody who wants to take photographs, that's pretty neat. Her outfit is really cute. It went on fairly easily. I like the little hair accessory. Here's the photograph of what the outfit, you can see it looks really cute. But I think she is a super cute doll. She's going to be my model and my muse as I try to make some more larger doll clothes. I don't know if I'm going to put any of these in my Etsy shop or not. My original intent was just try to make some for the grandnieces, but if I do have enough interest and enough time to make a couple of extra Dolly outfits, I will put them in the Etsy shop. Right now I just have the doll clothes I have over there now are for Blythes and pull-ups. And I do have accessories also for more of the 1/6 scale dolls. Though there are accessories for big people too. I have some jewelry in there right now as of this filming. The jewelry is doll jewelry, but it's for people to wear. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be expanding on my kawaii doll shop as far as bigger dolls, but you never know. We'll see. I did have fun making that little dress. It was 100 times easier than sewing a Blythe doll dress, I can tell you that. But anyway, yeah, she's super cute, and look for more Our Generation doll videos in the near future as I open up the other 2 dolls that I will be gifting. Anyway, have a wonderful Dolly Day, and as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.